Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Fandom Crafts out of extra toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls that you may have lying around the house. The first thing we're going to make is we're going to make a Wonder Woman bracer. It's really easy. All you need is a paper towel roll, a toilet paper roll, something to color your toilet paper roll with. It can be paint, it can be crayons, it can be markers, and something to decorate your toilet paper roll with. I'm going to use these super sparkly star stickers. So the first thing you do is you take your toilet paper roll, you take whatever you're coloring your toilet paper roll with, and you color it. Just like that. Make sure it's all nice and colorful. The next thing you do is you take a pair of scissors and you cut your toilet paper roll down the length of the roll. Just like that. So there's a split in the middle. And then your final step is to take your stickers or whatever you're going to use to decorate and decorate it however you want it. So I'm going to put a star sticker right there in the middle, and then it goes on the wrist just like that, and you have a Wonder Woman bracer. The next thing we're going to make is a lightsaber using a paper towel roll, a long sheet of construction paper. If you don't have long construction paper, you can take two smaller sheets and tape them together, however works for you. You need a strip of aluminum foil and some duct tape. So your first step is to take your toilet paper roll and your construction paper and to roll the toilet paper roll in the paper so that it covers up the roll. Your next step is to take your foil and put it on the end of your roll like this and wrap it around. And then you take your tape, and I have already pre-cut my tape here so it's ready to go, and you just take it and you wrap it around the bottom to hold that foil in place, and then you wrap another piece of tape around the top to hold the top of your lightsaber together, just like this. And then if you want to add decorations or buttons, you can use your permanent marker or your paint or your crayons to add any kind of decorations you want, and then you have a lightsaber. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of DIY with SPL. I hope you have a good time making these Fandom Crafts at home, and we'll see you next time.